Hello everyone, welcome to the new series of Learn Python and Learn It Well. In this series, we are going to learn Python from beginner to expert level. So the very first point we'll cover today is what is Python. So Python is most popular programming language nowadays. It is widely used high-level programming language which is created by Guido van Rossum in 1980. This language places strong emphasis on code readability and simplicity, which makes it possible for programmers to develop applications rapidly. Like all high-level programming languages, Python code resembles English language, which computers are unable to understand. Now we'll come to the point how Python run its code. Code that we write in Python have to be interpreted by a special program known as the Python interpreter, which we will have to install before we can code, test and execute our Python program. We will look at how to install the Python interpreter in the next video. There are also a number of third-party tools such as py2exe or PyInstaller that allow us to package our Python code into standalone executable programs for some of the most popular operating systems like Windows and macOS. This allows us to distribute our Python programs without requiring the user to install the Python interpreter. Now coming to about this course. This course is structured in such a way that any beginner can start this course. We are focusing on efficient learning. Have a look on this learning pyramid. This is well-known learning pyramid. The efficiency of learning increases as we go down the pyramid. Here we will focus on audio, visual and demonstration through our videos and discussion through your comments which we will reply on, and at the end of every new topic we will give you some of practicing examples so that you can practice it on your own, and we are going to solve some real life problem to make learning fun. Thanks for joining us.